Good morning, students. We have just finished with our grammar topic. Now we are going to start a new story in our literature book. So let's start with the story. I'm going to explain you first two pages. The title of the story is The Talking Cave. I hope you all know the meaning of cave. Okay. Okay, once upon a time there lived a lion in a jungle. He used to hunt smaller animals for his food. So, once upon a time means long time back a lion was living in the jungle and he used to hunt means he used to kill smaller animals for his food. One day the lion looked everywhere but he could not find any animal to eat. But one day came when he was looking here and there for some food, but he didn't get any animal to eat, to hunt. He was very hungry. This made him very angry too. So since he didn't get any animal, so he was very hungry and he was getting angry also because he was not getting food to eat. After a long search, he saw a cave on the hillside. A long search means after looking here and there for a long time, he saw a cave on the hillside. So, towards the hills, he got a cave. It was near a tall mango tree. That cave was near a tall mango tree. There was a mango tree which was very tall. Delicious, ripe, golden yellow fruit hung from its branches. So, delicious means very tasty, ripe means ready to eat, and golden yellow means full of juice. Golden yellow means ripe mangoes were hanging from the branches of that mango tree. The lion felt that the cave was cool and inviting. The lion felt that this is the safest place and many animals will come here and take a rest in the cave, so he can go there. It's a cool place and inviting means that he can get some food over there. He felt that that cave is inviting him over there. Some animal will surely come to seek shelter in this cave, he said to himself. So he thought that in this cave some animal is surely going to come to seek shelter. Seek shelter means to stay over there, to take some rest or to hide or to stay. So some animal will surely come, he said to himself. He was talking to himself. Then I will eat him up. So when that animal will come, I'll just eat him up and I will be satisfied and happy. After a while, a jackal came along. After a while means after some time, a jackal, an animal, came over there. He often spent his afternoons in the cool shelter of the cave, and every day that jackal used to come over there and he used to spend his afternoons in that cave, in that cool cave. He enjoyed listening to the birds singing on the mango tree as he dozed in the cave. Dozing means to take a rest, to sleep for some time in sleepy mood. So when he was trying to sleep over there in the cave, he used to sing the used to listen the singing birds which were sitting on the mango tree. Into page number 5. Just as the jackal was about to enter the cave, he noticed pug marks outside. So jackal was very clever. When he was about to enter the cave, he saw some footprints, pug marks outside the cave in the sand. Had an animal entered the cave while he was away? So he was asking himself that when he was not near this cave, some animal must have entered it. Could it still be there? So he was thinking that that animal can still be there in the cave. It can be dangerous for him. Jackal sensed that it might be dangerous to enter the cave. Sensed means he was feeling. So he felt that if the animal is still there in the cave, it might be dangerous for him. He thought of a plan. He stood outside the cave and called out, "Good evening to you." So he thought that I'll stand outside and I'll talk to that animal. I'll try to talk to that animal. So he thought of a plan and he said, "Good evening to you." The jackal got no answer, but lion was not replying. The lion heard the jackal, but he did not reply. So lion was thinking that if I'll reply, then that jackal will not come inside. So he didn't reply. He licked his lips and waited for the jackal to come inside. So licked his lips means he was hungry, so he was licking his lips. He was waiting that some animal should come inside and I'd quickly eat him up. After some time, the clever jackal repeated his greeting. He called out loudly, "Good evening to you." And then jackal repeated his greeting. since he was not getting any reply. So he loudly said, "Good evening to you." Again, there was no response. Then a lion didn't reply again. Jackal then said, "O cave, every day when I come to you, you welcome me." Then in Jackal, he was talking to Cave, and he was saying, "O Cave, every day when I come to you, you welcome me. Why are you silent today? Why you are not replying me? Why you are silent today? Why you are not welcoming me? Do you not want me here?" So he was asking the cave that, "You want that I should not be here today? If you do not answer, I will go to another cave." And he was saying that if you will not answer me, I'll move to the next cave, some other cave. So that's it for the day, children. Go through the story, underline difficult words, try to understand the meanings of those words. Thank you.